Good morning, everybody. It is January 6th, 2022, early in the morning Eastern Time. I have the Astro Excel chart up here laying on top of the Vedic trend indication chart. And what I'm looking at here, we got the overnight, the low came in the bright green window on the B1 here. And low came in a little bit after midnight. So now what we have, we've got an upward trending green line here on the Astro Excel, and that's going to peak out between 10:41 and noon. The blue line also peaks and flattens in that area as well. So looking to narrow that down on the Vedic chart, what happens here? We go from a red to a green segment at 11:14, right in that window. On the A2, and then on the B1 we go from green to red, and that kicks in at about 11:40, 11:41. What happens in that area, though, we're expecting this move to go up till that time and then reverse back down, as both the green and the blue lines are both moving down after roughly 11 o'clock. But if we look at the my cursor's sticking a touch. If we look at the Cosmo below that, you can see right there at 11:40 we get that pivot on the Cosmo where the upper green line Cosmo hits a low and goes up, and the bottom one hits a high and makes a sharp move down. The indications right here are that we should be making a high then at 11:40 and then turning down for a few hours. So we're going to bank on that happening, but we're also, smart enough to know that this can invert. So that would be the forecast. Let's see how this plays out. Looking for a high upward drifting market till about 11 and then a push back down. Otherwise, possibly invert, but the higher probability as we move to a high based on those indications, with the high coming in at the end of this B1 segment switch, 11:37. Cosmo indicates 11:40 over here, with the Astro Excel peaking out on the green and blue line. So that'll do it for today. We will be back again with another video tomorrow, and we will talk to you then.